A large number of locals took to streets in Muzaffarabad in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir and chanted slogans demanding the uninterrupted flow of Neelam and Jhelum rivers. They waved black flags and were holding banners saying "Save River, Save Muzaffarabad." The protesters urged the government to restore the 60% water deficit caused by the indiscriminate construction of dams in the illegally occupied region. They blamed that both Pakistan and China were hand in glove with each other in stealing the natural resources of the region, leaving the locals deprived of what they had a prerogative over. Demonstrators alleged that Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan, who has been stoking the Kashmir issue time and again at global political congregations, was the original wrecker-in-chief. And it was because of him that the life of a common Kashmiri in POK had become miserable.
आपने हमारा क्या हाल करके रखा है? क्या यहाँ पे इंसान नहीं बसते? क्या उनको माहौलियात की जरूरत नहीं है? क्या उनको अच्छे पानी की जरूरत नहीं है? क्या उनको अच्छे आबो हवा की जरूरत नहीं है? क्या वो उनके लिए अच्छा टेम्परेचर जरूरी नहीं है? मैं अपनी बात लंबी हो जाएगी। सिर्फ और सिर्फ मेरा आज का जो टारगेट है, जो फोकस है, वो इमरान खान साहब आपको बार बार मुखातब करके कहूंगा कि खुदारा इस दौरे में से बाहर निकले।
With an installed capacity of 969 megawatt, the Neelam Jhelum hydropower project, which became operational in 2018 after diverting a major portion of the river Neelam towards the power station on river Jhelum, has left the primary source of water for residents of Muzaffarabad dry and dirty. This scenario has now forced indigenous people to either migrate to places that are relatively habitable or lead a somber lifestyle where even a few liters of potable water are considered a luxury. And the story of deprivation does not end here. Pakistan has exploited the land and resources of occupied regions to alarming levels and has given nearly nothing in return to Kashmiris under its illegal occupation.
ये ड्यूल स्टैंडर्ड जो इमरान खान जो है पूरी दुनिया में जाके क्लाइमेटिक चेंजेस और उसकी बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन यहाँ आज़ाद कश्मीर के और स्पेशली मुजफ्फराबाद के लोगों के साथ जो जुल्म और जो इनकी इंसानी जानों के साथ जिस तरह खेला जा रहा है, अब डेंगू का जो फैलाव है वो सिंपली जो है सिर्फ इस वजह से है जो दरिया का ये रुख मोड़ा गया और उसके बाद जो है जो टेम्परेचर में जो राइज है।
Pakistan and China have also signed an agreement for a 700 megawatt Azad Pattan Hydel power project and a 1100 megawatt Kohala project on the Jhelum River, which has compounded the worries of the locals. Kashmiris fear and call it a systematic design aimed at ethnically cleansing the indigenous people and eliminating their culture. They, however, are up for resisting these plots with all might, from seeking assistance from the international community to fighting the oppressive Pakistani forces right at the ground. People in the occupied region say they will continue to expand their movement until their rights are restored and their region is free from illegal control of Islamabad.
हमें जिंदा रहने दो, आबाद में आबाद,